your grandfather.
Wow, Daddy, you really like it. Oh, I'm gonna see your father.
Yes,
That's my grandfather. Happy, very good to see them. I will see them, and I'll be happy. Tell my friends when I get there. Tell them that I'm seeing my. That means I'm gonna see my grandparents, your father, and your mother. Wow, I love that. When I tell my friends, my dear, that I'm seeing my grandparents. Oh, I believe they will come to dress to see me. I will see them. I am saying, what is the band? I'm saying, yeah, let's see someone in the car. That's no problem.
Come on, pray to that. Come on, pray to the grandfather. No. I told you that we're coming to visit them. I told you we're coming to visit my daddy. This is not human being. Come now, come. No, my father. Who is the grandfather? No, come.
Daddy, you're saying not touch me. You didn't tell me you're coming to visit them. No.
Action. Okay. Ego kamali gidi. Me lo ama. Ogora ala ya kwa ha. Ngana arige kwam na yimu.